Hello everyone, welcome to another Crypto Cult video, and in today's video we will be talking about another airdrop opportunity which is in AEVO. Some of you might know Ribbon Finance, and Ribbon Finance has renamed itself to AEVO, and Ribbon Finance already did an airdrop, and that airdrop was up to $20,000. So there is a huge chance that AEVO will also do an airdrop, and to participate in this airdrop it's very simple and it does not require that much money, since all the transaction can be done on Ethereum L2s like Arbitrum and Optimism, which has per transaction fees of $0.001, so it should not be a problem. Before we start this video, make sure your MetaMask has Arbitrum and Optimism as added networks, and you withdraw some Ethereum from the exchanges in Optimism and Arbitrum chains. If you already have that, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Let's go to the screen and start the airdrop hunting. First, what we need to do, we need to ready our MetaMask. So you should have your MetaMask ready and make sure you have some Ethereum in either Arbitrum, Optimism or ETH. So I have it on Optimism network. I have some $90 worth of Ethereum. Make sure to make a new wallet for any kind of airdrop you attempt. Next, we need to go to Uniswap and get some USD.E by swapping our Ethereum. So I'll just get $40 worth of that and connect my MetaMask here. Next, and connect. Here I have some Ethereum. Now I need to select USDC.E, and now let's swap some Ethereum. Click on confirm, verify. The swap is now success. And what we need to do now is go to app.evo.xyz. The link will be here. Let's continue. Connect your MetaMask here also. Next, and connect. Sign the message. And now you can deposit from the chain you had swapped your Ethereum. I'll approve here 56 USDT. It will ask for my permission. Then click on next and approve. Click on deposit. Click on confirm and click on continue. So now it has been deposited. Now we need to do the next step, and here is a video tutorial also. What we need to do is we need to create $10,000 worth of volume in leverage. In leverage, if you take, let's say $100 and you take 10x leverage, then that is a $1,000 volume. And here it is also mentioned you need to trade 10 plus different pairs. Try to trade 3 to 5 times a week. Don't trade all at once, and try to use 2 out of 3 chains. So we have Arbitrum, Optimism and Ethereum. So Arbitrum and Optimism will have low fees, so I will suggest using that. Let's try it and let's trade something. So here we have perpetual futures. So I'll just trade Bitcoin because it's usually stabler. So let's take a 45 USDT long and let's use 10x leverage. Use markets to place order, and have placed it, and I can see that Bitcoin is going up, so it should perform well. So this is already created volume of 45 into 10, that is $450. So already we have created the volume, and now you can just immediately close it, and that will be it. So we will close, and I got a little bit of loss, but that's fine. Again, you can increase the leverage also till 20x and have some fun with it. So at 20x I have 1101 power, so I'll just create that, and immediately it has started again. I'll close once again, and now let's change the pair and let's go to Solana. Now Solana is a little bit more intense. I'll place once again. I'll place 10x and it has started again. This was around $500 worth of volume. So let's close it, and so on. You can do it on all the pairs that are available. So that was all the steps for the AEVO airdrop. It's pretty simple. You just need to do some trades and increase the volume. Make sure to set up a reminder and do it every 2 to 3 days. Just do small scale trades so that you hit a certain volume limit, and then you will be eligible. The total cost should be under $5 if you are fast enough and you are not greedy for the trade that you are taking. Anyways, that was the airdrop. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more such airdrops. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us on Telegram. All the links will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.
मुझे याद न बीती रात और कल की बात, मेरी बला से सारे पहुंचे भाड़।